Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop and Transmission. So we're back to work on the 98 Toyota Camry. Got a busted radiator today. So I'm gonna change it out. So just plugging in a drop light here. You can see I got a head start here, but right here is your, take your fans, the electric fans out, and they're sitting right over there. This one's going to have the driver's side fan. It's going to have two connectors, one up top, one at the bottom. The one at the bottom is for the temp sensor right down there in the radiator. Right there. Runs all along here. Here's the wiring harness for it. So you have to take it loose from the fan shroud. And you can just leave it lay for now because it comes out with the radiator, and then you can unscrew your sensor. And as you can see here in the new radiator, where am I at? Yeah, there's your drain. Right there's where the sensor goes. And to get a new radiator, Advance Auto in Stanton, here local to me, had one in stock for just under $100. So I said, well, I don't really want this car down for very long, if at all. So I am replacing the radiator, and right there, that's where it cracked, right along the top there. Right there, you can see it across there. Pretty good crack. The car's got about 160,000 miles on it now, so still kind of a low mileage car for a 98, but she's still kicking. I've got other videos on here of me working on this car. Oh, I've done a valve cover cleanup and gasket. I think was the latest video till now. I did the timing belt, oil pump, oil pan gasket, a few other little odds and ends. So yeah, those videos are in my channel as well. So if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. You will have to disconnect your transmission lines at the bottom of the radiator, the clamps down there. I don't know if you get you a new radiator, if it'll come with the hose fittings like this one did. I'm assuming they all do come with the, so far every one of these I've replaced have come with new cooler fittings for the transmission. So that helps. And this here is the hardware for the fans. They go here, 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 and here. But you always want to check and make sure they put the right nuts and in the package, so that way you don't cross thread the only 4 bolts you're gonna have. I've already dropped one. I don't know where it went. So anyway, but I'm sure it'll show up. Hopefully before I get to the point where I'm putting the fans back on. So you take out your top 4 bolts here, like I showed you on the new radiator. Unhook your electrical to your electric fans, and they just pull right up and out. Your drain is right there. Got a little drain hole in the lower metal cover that you can drain into a catch pan while you're doing stuff. And then once you disconnect the lower transmission hoses and your radiator hoses, upper and lower, upper, lower, you're then ready to pull the radiator right up and out. It just slides right up and out. Alright guys, I might do a part 2 of this video. Probably will. Explaining how to bleed the system. If you see how I'll go ahead and explain it now. You see, I've got this car up in the air because it's kind of coming up into the shop here. It's always best for these cars to do that because it helps bleed the coolant system. I can't remember where they're at, but the heater core hoses on these cars are kind of low. Yeah, you see them back there going into the firewall. Right there, there's two of them, one on top, one on the bottom, supply return. They're a little low, so you want to make sure you can get the radiator up as high as possible and still be safe for those of you doing this in your driveway or home garage that doesn't do this kind of work every day. You want to be safe. Or put the car up on jack stands, because these cars do set low and you got to be safe. Alright guys, well, I'm going to stop this video for now. I'll do a part 2 here shortly. So hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, notification bell, so you can get other updates on videos that I post to my channel. Alright guys, thanks a lot.